bloody restaurant quality. So good. Actually, it's been on though.
Cook up a storm, sweetheart, please.
He's not going to cut the mustard though, unfortunately. The annex has been great for the dogs. Just keeps them in there, gives them a little bit of playroom.
But if this whole coastline on this side is national park, then we can't bring the dogs here at all.
We're getting flooded on that like that. Not good. Struggle
with the solar.
Right.
Just looking down there.
The streets are so narrow.
Yeah.
No, I'll drive.
Okay. So we've got to go. That's for the shower. They take 20 cent pieces, and they're only 3 minutes. We come down here. Reverse. The number 6 is in the middle of the site.
Got a mad dog. It's a little playpen for him.
Exactly.
We're settled in Sussex Inlet at the Riverside Caravan Park. Everything's set up, we're ready to go. Time to get into some oysters. So what I'm going to make up is some oyster Kilpatrick. If you don't like oysters, it's probably the best way to start. I reckon oyster Kilpatrick is the go because it's got the bacon, the Worcestershire sauce, pretty simple. Keep it simple, and at least it cuts away that any saltwater sort of taste from the oysters. But I think most of all, people get freaked out about the texture of the oyster itself. So if you can put cheese on there as well, and you melt the cheese in there, that's all systems go as well. Alright, so I've just got some bacon, some onion, some chilies, some Worcestershire sauce, more onion there that I'll chop up, and we've got some cheese
And garlic.
and some garlic. So that's not all going into the one Kilpatrick. I'm going to make a variety of different oysters.
That'd be a journey unknown specialty, that one.
That's it. So the key with this, it's like a pizza. Don't put too much on it. Just keep it simple.
Well, we've got some capsicum. Do you want some
Capsicum's good too. I like the way you think, sweetheart. Now, some big news. Well, you won't believe this. I must have got wind that I've been catching fish. Because old mate just comes around and he goes, would you like to enter our fishing comp this Saturday, Sunday? And I said, well, funny you say that because I'm in bloody good form. Longest flathead inside both days, longest flathead outside both days. I don't know what that means. Longest brim both days, longest snapper both days, longest whiting both days, longest blackfish both days, and visitors prize longest fish. I could take the whole bloody lot out.
What about the smallest fish?
Yeah, I'd probably take that out too. Anyway, I'm going to give that a crack tomorrow. The weather's looking unreal. We're, Jarvis Bay, prime fishing location, heaps of people here. It should be good fun. So strap yourself into this episode, guys, because it's going to be a cracker.
Starting with the doggies.
Doggy. Yuck. Food. Yes, food. Shake and bake, baby, shake and bake. That's what we're talking about. Exciting. Hey, have a look at this. It even comes with his own little oyster fork. This is the raw version. What I'm going to call this is the Japanese Delight. It has some green capsicum, some onion, a little bit of garlic, slightly fried, not too much. I didn't want them raw and I didn't want it overcooked, and some chili. So let's see how we go. Bloody restaurant quality. So good. That chili's a bit hot though. Jesus. The capsicum helps the palate with that chili.
That was Misso's idea, wasn't it? While he's sculling some oysters, I'm having a little cheeky drink here. I got these in Bateman's Bay. Have you seen these? Vodka Cruisers Vanilla Cola. They're not bad. They got a kick and they got a funny aftertaste, but different to the guava I normally get. Need a drink, Dal?
That's, what do they call that? Chili 200,000 Newton.
2 million.
2 million Newton meters or whatever it is. Holy moly. They look unbelievable. Excuse me if I can't really talk properly because my tongue is still burning. I just realised those chilies come from the hip camp down at Now. Yeah. You've got some potent chilies down there, old mate. Jesus. Did a number on me. Anyway, we're good to go. I'm just going to be careful with those other chili ones, but look at the Kilpatrick. And then a couple with cheese. Bloody beautiful. I wouldn't have thought New South Wales oysters would taste so good. Lucky King Billy's not here because he'd smash all that. I'm reluctant to do the chili one just yet. My mouth needs to calm down, calm the farm. Let's try this cheese one. Cheese, bacon, Worcestershire. That's going to be bloody beautiful. I'm tipping. I'm loving it. So good.
What's your favourite?
Oh, they're all good. Admittedly, I probably wouldn't put so much chilli in these ones, but that Kilpatrick with a bit of cheese in it, oh, hits the mark.
Good morning. It's Saturday and we have woke up to a stunning day. It's actually so warm outside, isn't it, Dale?
Beautiful.
You're already dressed in a singlet and shorts. So we're going to start off the morning for the fishermen with BLTs. And if you've followed our channel for a while, you'll know that we have our specific BLTs and we like to name them either BLT, bloats, blats, bloateds. I'll explain. Alright, here we go, guys. BLTs to the extreme. These are the best. These Turkish rolls from Woolies or Coles. They're the best ones. And then aioli. Aioli, if you've got avocado, even better. Cook up a storm, sweetheart, please.
Just keep those doggies in there. Like I'm fishing in the middle of Burke Street Mall. She's bloody busy out here. Cracking day. We've had one bite in about half an hour. So hopefully it picks up. I'm just drifting through the weed. Trying to get a dusky flathead maybe. Oh, he's on. He's on. Little bream. She's loving the bream at the moment. He's not going to cut the mustard though, unfortunately. Oh, those spikes. Tide's getting pretty low now, so I think the fishing's over for today. Swim time. How good's this? Just fish and then go for a bit of a dip. I'll have to bring Laura out, I think, take the fishing rods back. Such a stunning day. Go for a bit of a dip together and might try a bit of fishing later on in the afternoon, see how we go. So one bream. It's not worth, definitely not worth the fishing competition at the moment. So I won't be winning any trophies at the moment, but we'll see how we go. So Laura's demanded that we have a fire here. She's like, this is ridiculous. I'm above the law. We're going to light a fire.
Okay, there's two things. I am above the law, but I did not demand to have a fire.
No, the caravan park has actually reneged on their fire ban. So I think what had happened is a fair few people from the park, not us, I mean we just sort of roll with it, wanted to have a fire, and it's perfect weather for a fire, so it's a no-brainer really. And so the park has said, yeah, okay, no worries, everyone can have fires. So we have our fire pit ready to go in the background because the weather is stunning. It gets a little bit chilly at night, like the conditions are perfect for it, so still. So we're going to have a fire. There's heaps of everyone's lighting them now, so it's really good. Anyway, tonight it's not Good Friday, but tonight we're having fish. We didn't eat, well, I just had the oysters last night, but I was so full from the oysters we didn't bother cooking the fish. So we just purchased some salmon because, as you know, it only caught a few brim, and the guys next door have given me some Albuquerque. I've never actually had that before. It was in a big thick slab, and he said just cut it in half and quickly fry it, and that's the way to do it. So that's what I've done. So I'm really looking forward to having some of that. So wrapped about that, and so thank you to our neighbours. It's awesome. So what I've done is I've just put the fry pan in here on heat. I might try these first. Let's have a look at this. Oh, she needs to be, I think she needs to be a bit hotter. There you go, it's starting to sizzle now. I just find the fry pan in the barbecue is just a lot easier, it's a lot neater, a lot cleaner, and once that plate really heats up, it's awesome. It does the job. So that's us. We're going to have just a quiet night around the fire. Probably another day tomorrow of fishing. I mightn't take the kayak out, I might just do some river on land fishing, and then that way everyone can come, the dogs can come, Laura can come. We also have my sister down here that's come and visited over the Easter break, and she's going to join us all the way to Canberra and do the dawn service with Dad and Harrison. So we're wrapped about that. Yeah, it's all happening, so to speak. So yeah, she's just in a tent here. Got the kayak, the annex. The annex has been great for the dogs. Just keeps them in there, gives them a little bit of playroom. And the other thing about the annex is what we've done, because Tex is still getting toilet trained. What we've done is we've folded back part of the mat, and he can just go to the toilet here. Oh, on cue, Tex. You need the toilet, bud? You want the toilet? Come on, go to the toilet. Yeah, go to the toilet. Good boy. Good boy. You gonna finish? Come on, toilet. Yeah, so the annex has really done its job for this this leg of the trip.
Good morning and happy Easter. Easter Sunday.
Not one egg to be found in our caravan?
No, well your sister kindly got us a couple of eggs.
Yeah.
Lovely, Kristen.
And I made some nice rum balls yesterday. What are they called?
Chocolate coconut balls.
Yeah, a lot helped.
Alright, here we are. This is our predicament. Conjola National Park. We're coming down to Stingray Bay, and it's magnificent. We brought the dogs. The dogs are so excited. We had the ball. and then we saw that sign. So we're going to check it out and then come back later.
Yeah, stunning. She's going to be a popular spot on Easter Sunday.
What a great way to spend Easter. Very Australian by the beach. Pretty nice, hey? So there is another road that goes around, but if this whole coastline on this side is national park, then we can't bring the dogs here at all.
I was just talking to a couple of locals. Apparently there's been a croc sighting. Haven't been able to see it yet.
We've come right up this kind of off-road track, come to a dead end where there's these cabins down the end of the road. They're private property. They got gates, you can't get through. And then it looks like there's a walking track that goes down to the beach, but the hill's like that. They've even got a rope that you can hold on to, and there's heaps of fallen branches, so we're not going to attempt that, and it looks very, very snaky. So Troy's going to put the drone up. We're going to get some footage of the inlet, and then we'll take the dogs for a walk just at a normal park and drop them back at the caravan park, and then we'll come down to Stingray Bay. Okay, doggies? Alright. It's alright. Okay, taxi.
Look at this, we've got a little bit of sun over here. That's where we're going. Let's go.
Well, we have had breakfast at a beautiful cafe in Huskinson, and we've just come down to the park here to check out the beach. Unfortunately, you can't take dogs down here, and I can see why, because it's magical. But these poor beauties want to go to the beach.
I see someone's out there with a paddleboard with their puppy on there.
Oh really?
Yeah.
4 p.m. to 8 a.m. So you can take them here between 4 p.m. and 8 a.m. What have you found, Dal?
Just where you can't do anything in those pink areas. And then you can do things in the blue area, which is just there, and yellow.
Yeah.
Pretty easily marked out. It's a lot better than the Ningaloo.
What a nice pool.
Still, I didn't bring me swimmers. I'd swim that, sure.
Good boy, Tex. Get it done. Go on. Yes, good girl. Good boy, Tex.
The rain is about to come. It's about to absolutely bucket down. Everyone here is right beside us is left because they were all in tents. So you can just feel it in the air. It's about to all happen. Now we got our replacement mesh from our BCF fire pit. We love this fire pit. It's awesome, nice and light. It's just a pop-up fire pit from BCF. When it's on special, it's $99. But this is the old mesh, and that's just burnt right through. So what I might do is, rather than keep replacing mesh all the time, I might make up my own mesh for it, just with very, like some grate or something, very lightweight, and then it will just sit directly on the fire pit. That's the plan. The cats are just about to be on. So I'm setting myself up with the doggies. Doggy 1, doggy 2. I've got the big screen iPad out. Now I've just got to hook up the internet to it and we should be good to go. We'll be settling in a couple of jars. Come on cats, we've got to beat the hawks. And what's the misso going to do?
Tell you what, this neighbour up here loves pumping the tunes, especially at night.
Darling, I need some foxtel on that. Because
No.
I can't watch it.
You might have to use KO.
Or KO, whatever. That's your expertise.
Where's the remoties? How are you stuck in there, mate? Come on. You're not eating. It's not dinner time.
Not the full twig, that's why.
Oh, Bubby. You don't want to come out.
Last week and the horrible first half, I want to know how you tackled the review. How much effort did you put into what went wrong to begin with? And then how much effort did you look at when the ship was able to steady?
That's awesome.
Not too much on when the ship was able to
You could almost get rid of the TVs altogether in the caravan boat.
what happened 20 years, but also what happened, as far as
is our Journey Unknown charcuterie or charcuterie board, whichever way you want to say it. I'll show you what we got here. We have some chocolate coconut balls that I made a couple of days ago, cucumber, vintage cheddar cheese, cheesels, mint leaves, some cherry tomatoes, grapes, roasted chocolate almonds, spicy capsicum dip, some brown crackers, fig and walnut roll, more cheesels. Ready, just in time for the footy to finish.
Storm has finally come.
If you keep playing like that,
Have a look at that, Noah.
when you stop playing like
It's
that,
happening.
I know. I don't know why you're still out here.
Well, it's because the Cats are on. And the Cats won. What a game. What beds? There? No. So I've got the back of the car open to run power from here to the caravan to here.
I think we've got to hold the line too at the moment. What has been at the MC?
Oh, great win. Alright, we've got to bunker down now because the storm is hitting big time. Look at that.
How much that lights up the sky.
Yeah, I know. It's amazing. The coastal weather, when it hits, it hits. So that's it. Sussex, done.
Sussex Inlet, Huskinson,
Jarvis Bay.
Stingray Bay.
Yeah.
Where else have we
Great
been?
spot. We want to come back here because
Yeah.
there's a lot more to do.
Yeah.
There's the lighthouse that we didn't get out to.
Yep.
There's so much to do here. You must get here. The thing about this place is where we are right now. Easter break, it's packed. There's people everywhere,
Yeah.
so it's a bit difficult to sort of explore every part of the region that we want to. We're not going too far away though, so
No.
we're just around the corner. We're going to duck in, and the weather has turned.
I know. So if you're heading up this way to Jarvis or Jervis Bay, whichever way you pronounce it, there are some great spots around Huskinson. There are some parks that are dog friendly as well.
Yeah.
But more so off season. And if you can get here during the week, or if you can get here on a normal weekend, it'll be much better. But we hope you have enjoyed our outings and chilling around the caravan and the dogs and everything, and our Easter. So
Yeah, like I said, there's so much to do here. There's, Sussex where we are now is a bit more of a local sort of area, a bit of a vibe, local vibe.
Yeah.
But more to the Huskins
Huskinson is more like your
tourists.
Byron sort of area. Yeah.
It's pretty cool. There's so much to do
Yeah.
and see, and the water is amazing. The inlets are amazing. The
beautiful.
fishing's would be amazing.
Yeah.
It's
There's
unreal.
Tours and everything. Anyway, we're going to get
Yeah.
stuck into dinner. Well, our dinner here,
Laura's
which
made a
is
little
um,
charcuterie.
what do you
these
think,
things?
Dale?
Oh, so mate, look at it.
What's your go-to on this?
I was a bit concerned about what this kangaroo poo looked like, or wallaby poo, but
What
they
is
are
it?
bloody unreal.
Do you know what
Where'd you
that
get
is?
those from?
That's Maggie Beer's
Oh,
chocolate almonds. Oh, you really
Missed it.
missed that. That's us for Monday night. Tomorrow we're off to a hip camp. It's only 15 minutes away from here, so it's not a very long drive at all. So we'll probably stay here until checkout, and then I don't know what we're going to do for 2 hours, but anyway, we'll find something.
thanks again for following along. Thanks for all your support, your
Yep.
kind comments. It's just amazing.
And we hope you're enjoying the dual episode weeks for these.
Yeah, doubling up,
Wednesdays
giving
and Sundays.
a bit more, and yeah,
My
if you're
arm's
enjoying
hurting.
the,
My arm's hurting.
you know why? Too much tennis. Nah, if you enjoy the content, please like, subscribe, follow along, and we'll see you on the next one.
See you sometime. I don't know when. All right, bye.
Holy shit! We're getting flooded. We are absolutely getting flooded. Holy shit! Babe, it's actually like a lake out here. Holy shit! Air leads in the rain. They're not going to work. Like that. Not good. Babe, there's a lot of water.